I'm Katie Cleveland with REI Management Services. Today we're going to go through some of the most frequently asked questions for the owner's portal on Buildium. So this is the page that pulls up when you log in. It's called the financials page. It's basically your home screen. From here, I'm going to show you how to view an invoice, how to check what a charge is for, how to view a lease, and also how to print an income statement. So first, let's go ahead and look up how to view an invoice. So when you pull up the home screen, you're going to have all of your properties in your portfolio listed here. I have this specific property selected. We're going to go ahead and click on the property, and you have your expenses listed over here. So we're going to go ahead and click on this $143.75 expense. Once it pulls up on the general ledger, we're going to go ahead and click the accounts, click expense accounts, and then click accrual and search. Once you search, it'll come up with this charge with a paperclip next to it. You click on the paperclip and it will pull up that invoice, and here you see the invoice for that same charge. On here, it also lists what the charge is for. So if you do have a question about what a charge is for, you just look up the invoice. It's listed right there. Now, the next thing that we're going to look at is how to view a lease. We're going to go back to the home screen, the financials page. So to view a lease, you're going to click right up here on rental owner. It'll have this, this thing to click for documents, and you go ahead and click that. And it shows you all of your documents that you have in Buildium. This is basically all of the documents that we put in here for your properties. Your lease agreement will be here, as will your property inspections, public asset, and any other documents that are relevant. So let's go back to that home screen. Now, the final question that we get a lot is how to view an income statement and how to print one. So the first thing that you're going to do to view an income statement is to go to reports, which is over here on the right side of your screen. Click on it. It'll take you to this page that has basically all of your reports: financial, rental, property, transaction, compliance, task, and administrative. And you just go under financial, click income statement. You can go for consolidated or detailed. I'm just going to click on income statement in general. Now under here, I already have a property selected. If that property that pulls up is not the one that you want to look at, you can change it under this little tab here. You can also change the date range. It has a lot of different options for that, but we're just going to keep it at year to date. And finally, you want to make sure that the accounting basis is selected on cash, not accrual. Then you click Run Report, and it pulls up your income statement right here. You can print it with this button, or you can email it to someone, or you can save it to your computer. So those are the main questions that we get for the rental owner portal. If you do have any other questions, feel free to call us. There are obviously a lot more things that you can do with the portal than what I showed you today, but I do hope this tutorial was helpful, and I hope you guys all have a great day.